guys, it's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama now, because we are litty over here. And y'all, without further ado, I decided to buy a few things off of the TikTok shop. And I think I might have, I don't know, I got another package. So, yeah. So, y'all, I've purchased some, the freeze-dried lemon heads. They were good. I purchased a vacuum cleaner, a cordless vacuum cleaner. It's good. I purchased the crisscross chair. Definitely good. And I got it in the black leather. What else? I ordered some sauce and some peanut butter. I ain't get it yet, but I'll let y'all know. Hold on, y'all. Let me excuse the the quality, because I'm on my other phone. I still got my case on, so I think I like taking my case off. Okay, so these are, I ordered this off of Amazon. It's actually a case, or not a case, a screen cover for my Game Boy. So that's that. So I guess that don't count, seeing that it's from Amazon. Okay, so this is the TikTok shop stuff. I thought somebody was coming in the door. They gave me an extra one. So I ordered these for me and my brother. It's actually a keychain of a Pokemon card. He has Charizard. I got Meowth. Because you know Meowth was all about the money. Then they sent me this extra one. I'll probably get that to my brother. But yeah, I ordered this off of TikTok shop. It's cute. Meowth. And on the back, Pokemon. That's cute. And they sent me this trainer one. I ain't ordered this one. This was free. I'll get that to my brother. And then I ordered this. Okay, it's in a box that say Happy New Year. Hold on. No, excuse my ashy hands. Okay, let's see. Child, this got a whole bunch of tape on it. I'm trying to cut the tape. Like, come on. I didn't cut myself. Anyway. So this is this game system. I got this because it had games like the Bratz on there. It had Lizzie McGuire and stuff, like some old vintage type games. I got it in purple, of course. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. So it got a charging cable. And then I'm guessing it got the little buttons in the back. And where do you put the micro SD card? The volume button. Oh, you put the SD card down there. So this is the thing that got all the games on it. This is 64 gigabytes of memory. I don't know, that's not really that much memory. Let's see the game's already on here. Oh man, hold on. Am I putting this in the wrong way? I ain't trying to break nothing. Alright, how you turn this thing on? I'm guessing this button. It might need to be charged. Oh wait, no. It's the button up here. So let's see. Oh yeah, we at the nail table. Okay, so we got games. Oh, there's different you can play arcade games. There's that Game Boy Advance, PlayStation 1. I don't know. Oh wait, let me go back. Let me see. Got Super Mario on here. I guess, hold on, let me see. Game Boy. Oh, we got Pokemon games on here. Tekken. Crash Bandicoot. Oh my god. That was my game back in the day. Donkey Kong. We got 908 games on here. Rayman, I don't remember playing that. Kirby. Driver. Spyro. Spyro was the game. Yeah, Final Fantasy, Wario World, Mortal Kombat, Mega Man, Street Fighter, Spider-Man, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They got Sims, the Herbs. Oh my goodness, I used to play that all the time. They got Harry Potter on here, American Idol, Charlotte's Web, Disney, Ice Age, Lego, Lord of the Rings, Pirates of the Caribbean, Garfield, Superman Returns, Sims Busting Out, Advanced GTA, Avatar, Astro Boy, Batman, Bratz. Okay, I got the Bratz, Britney's Dance, Beats, Bruce Lee Returns, Catwoman, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay. Digimon, Disney Brother Bear, Disney Princess, Disney Cinderella, Kim Possible. Oh, okay, they flexing for real on here. Y'all, they got all these games, and I'm only in the 200s. Finding Nemo. Let me just see how the graphics is. So far, the graphics is cool. I can't even complain. Oh, this lit. And this was only like... This was only like 30 something. Where's the A? Am I tripping? Where's the A at? Password. Child, I don't know. I won't let me put a password in, but yeah, y'all, this is lit. turn it off? It's definitely lit. So yeah, y'all, they had this on the TikTok shop. Oop. I had to get it because I just liked it and it was in purple. Okay. My big old hands, child. They come with a screen protector, a charger, and that's it. But yeah, I like that. Oh, it's definitely gonna give me something to do when I'm on the clock. And then the last thing, y'all, because I want to work on, you know, more self-care, self-health type of stuff. So, they got books on there. Like, they got a whole bunch of books and stuff. Coloring books. I think I'm gonna order me a coloring book next. But they got a whole bunch of stuff on there. Self-help books. There's all types of stuff. So I ordered this book. This is nice. Make sure it's on my address on it. So I decided to purchase this. It's a vision board workbook. I don't want to get copyrighted, so the inside, let me just look in the inside. Oh, so this is cute. So basically, it's like a vision board in a book. So if you're like looking to do a vision board, this is definitely something cute. Like if you don't want to do the normal vision board with the what is it, like the construction paper, or you know, just the regular one, or you know, some people actually make theirs like out of an album or a book and they do all the fancy dancy stuff. No, I just wanted to lay out and I add my own stuff. And then I went to Dollar Tree and I seen these sticky notes and stuff like that. So if I want to add like sticky notes inside the book, or you know, stickers or pictures and stuff like that, because it gives you an option to add like personal pictures and stuff like that, I can add those and just, you know, put the sticky notes on here or in there. So yeah, I'm very excited, and y'all see my stuff just spinning. So yeah, I'm very excited. I don't know. I really can't wait to start doing this vision board book, workbook. Like, I'm excited, really excited. I'm gonna gather some photos. So I'm not really like the photo type person, but I might take some photos just to put in here, or take some photos from my phone and then go to like CVS or something and get the, you know, printed out or something. So yeah, I'm excited like to do the workbook. And I want to say this workbook was like $20-something, but it's worth it because it has a spiral. See, I don't like regular, like if I'm trying to do stuff like this, I don't like a regular book because you got to crease it and all that other stuff. With this, is a spiral, so it's easier to like turn the page. So I thought this was real cute, y'all. So definitely look into this. It definitely gives vibes of like, remember back in school, like the yearbook type vibes, like the colorful type. It gives that type of vibe. So if you're into that, definitely, you know, get this. So yeah, once again, everything except for the sticky notes and those Game Boy screen protectors, everything is from TikTok. And yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video, short mini haul, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.